Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner wearing white with black. Official weight, 120.5 pounds. Professional record, 2 victories with 4 defeats, with all of his victories coming by way of knockout. Representing Knockout Boxing Gym, ladies and gentlemen, Robert Ronquillo. And his opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red corner wearing white and black with red. Official weight, 116.4 pounds. Professional record, 13 victories, only 5 defeats, with 7 of his victories coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, fighting out of Arcelia Boxing Gym, here is Denmark Bido. Once again, to give instructions, here's referee Jojo Llanera.
We proceed to our next fight of this day. UKC Showdown. Denmark Kobido, who represents Arcelia's Boxing Gym with a record of 13-5-2 with 7 KO. Set to battle Robert Ronquillo with a record of 2-4-2 from a knocked-out boxing gym. Itong dalawa po will be fighting in a super flyweight category. The once sought after Denmark Kobido is trying to see the bright lights again through this fight. Siguro kung maging successful siya dito at magkaroon siya ng spectacular na laban, should I say result, ay siya ay mababalik sa mga rankings for Ronquillo. Siya naman po ay siyempre may mga pangarap na gusto ring matupad. So we'll see sa laban na to.
We'll see what's in store for these two fighters. At ang ganda ng naging slot nila, no? Talagang ngayon nag-init yung natin, mga audiences, nandito na sila halos lahat ngayon.
Bout number 14 na tayo.
Number 14.
Of a possible 21 fights. Dapat 22, but napakinggan na natin na the Pasiones Dorona fight will not happen because of under different circumstances na hindi natin gusto lahat. So but definitely mangyayari yan. So siguro abang kayo sa Real Fight PH and soon sasabihin namin kung kailan magaganap ang laban ni Pasiones tsaka ni Dorona.
So guys, si Kobido, yung naka boxing trunks na may mix ng black, white, and red.
Yes.
And then si Troy naman, si Ronquillo pala. Si Ronquillo yung naka white trunks with black trim. Tapos may Philippine flag dun sa kanyang likuran.
Yun din na tinatawag nilang classic trunks nung mga
yung may linya lang sa gilid.
80s, 90s na parang talagang raw na raw lang. So yan ang ginagamit ni Robert Ronquillo.
Tsaka ang gusto ko pa doon, Alvin, sa mga classic na na shorts or trunks, yung may initials lang nung boxer. Yung parang karaniwan sa kaliwang sa left leg.
Yeah.
Nandun yung initial. So, halimbawa, kung tawag dito, kunyari, Muhammad Ali, MA. MA. Ganda rin makakita nung ganun Kaya, minsan may mga fighters ako nakikita, they're still honoring that tradition.
Yung iba talaga.
Clean, classic, tsaka siya, yung nakaka-break din nung kasi ngayon medyo maiingay yung shorts maiingay yung shorts. Kaya paminsan maganda rin makakita nung
ang ganda
simple.
Ganda nung upper nung Kobido.
Another one sa body. Up down, no?
So far, di pa nagre-response yung Ronquillo, Ano lang niya, ayun.
Ayan, narinig ka niya.
Oo.
Nagbato na rin sa katawan.
End of the first round.
Ito naman, yung pace naman ito, mabilis.
Mabilis naman. Narinig din nila.
Oo. Pero yung Ramonal, parang parang nag-daydream tayo na matagal na. Parang kala mo 12 round na yun la. Pero meron talagang tama may ganong moments
May ganong moments.
So,
Well, it's also nice kasi mahaba din yung araw eh.
Oo.
So, yun naman yung regalo sa atin ni Ramonal tsaka ni Roda. Binigyan tayo ng kaunting ng break from the fast-paced fights.
Parang
They gave us yung laban na
tama.
talagang bitawan sila. While still enjoying the fight.
Mm. We have siguro technically may tatlo tayong laban after tinigil na, or should I say pangit yung salita, parang he quit on the stool. Meron ganon talagang meron talagang feeling na baka hindi na talaga niya kaya or what. So, but definitely, it's a TKO win for Denmark Kobido.
Pero ang pinaka-importanting tanong, Alvin, pasok ba sila sa I'm Boxing Fan?
TKO pa rin yun.
TKO pa rin
Pero,
yun. Ayun ang magandang
pero
balita.
yung how do you deliver it, baka medyo nasa dihado siya eh. Kasi TKO siya, KO pa rin, pero medyo hindi yan sensational kung tawagin.
So para dun sa mga kaka-tune in lang, yung running joke namin ganyan ni Alvin, kasi may pa-contest yung I'm Boxing Fan na Facebook page. Alam ko magbibigay ng award. Kung di ako nagkakamali, it's 2,000 pesos para dun sa mapipili na knockout ng day or night. Salamat, Miss Lee.
Ladies and gentlemen, after the end of the very first round, we have a winner by technical knockout. Your winner, Denmark